Welcome guys to this tutorial. I will show you how to fix sound problem on BandLab game or BandLab app. So you have to open the settings of your device, click at apps option and search for BandLab and click. After that, scroll down this list, click storage and click clear cache. Here back right now, click on force stop, click OK. Move to Play Store or App Store and update BandLab. Restart here your device and that's all what you have to do. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe and